As you can see, the ideas are endless. There's so many cool projects you can do with these bright, colorful buttons. So I wanted to come on here and show you the product because you get so many colorful assorted buttons. This pack is really amazing. So these assorted buttons are going to be really great for crafting, sewing, DIY mural button paintings, and holiday ornaments too. There's so many different sizes and colors, and you're gonna see that you get some buttons that have 4 holes and you also get 2 holes. I'm finding that some of the buttons are anywhere from 0.3 centimeters to 3.5 centimeters. So you get so many different sizes and colors. There's so many different crafts you can do. This is such a great collection of buttons. So these are made of a high quality resin material. They're smooth, durable, and they're waterproof. So they're great for so many different things. Another idea for a really cool project that I'm working on right now is taking a picture, a little canvas, gluing that picture on there, and then making a really awesome border with all of these colorful buttons. So this could be super fun to do with kids or just on your own. This would make a really cool gift for grandparents or any family member.